strong, bold, and gifted, talented enough to be the best. I am an African child.
Often the target of pity, my future is not confined to charity. Give me the gift of a lifetime. Give me a dream, a door opportunity. I will strive. I am an African child.
Do not hide my fault. Show me my wrong. I am like any other. Teach me to dream and I will become. I am an African child.
I am your son, daughter of the soil, rich in texture and content, full of potential for a better tomorrow. Teach me discipline, teach me character, teach me hard work, teach me to think like the stars within me. I am an African child. I am really extraordinary. Call me William Kamkwamba, the inventor. Give me a library with books. Give me a scrapyard and discarded electronics. Give me a broken bicycle plus the freedom to be me. And I will build you a windmill. I am an African child. We are a new generation, not afraid to be us. Uniquely gifted, black and talented. Shining like the stars we are. We are the children of Africa, making the best of us. Yes, I am an African child. I am an African child.
An African child.
An African child. I am African child. For me the skin, the color of the chocolate, bright, brilliant and articulate, strong and bold and gifted, talented, enough to be. For me the best, I am an African child. For me the skin, the color of the chocolate, bright, brilliant and articulate, strong and bold and gifted, talented, enough to be. I am the best, I am an African child.
Start with the target of pity. My future is not about charity. Give me the gift of a lifetime. Give me a dream, other opportunity. I will try. I am an African child.